It's Math with Mrs. Peters, the crazy cat lady of Hiram High School. Today's topic, Factoring by Patterns, Part 2. We're going to look at the difference of two cubes. Now, a cubed is a number that is raised to the third power. And I want you to look at these examples here. All right? Just like with the difference of two squares and the sum of two squares, we're looking at a pattern. I have an example that I've written right here. Okay? 8 is really 2 cubed, and I have x cubed. And then I have 27 is 3 cubed, and I have a y cubed. So this is going to help me put things into my circles and my boxes. What goes in the circle here is 2x, because both of these things are raised to the third power. And what goes in the box is going to be 3y, because they're both to the third power. So now I'm going to stick them into my formula. What I want you to be very careful of, and I really want you to pay attention to, is that this is subtraction here, which means I have subtraction there, but I have addition here. And it is always addition in the back piece. So let's sort of stick things in. I have 2x, 3y. Okay, in every circle I'm going to put 2x, and every box is going to get a 3y. I also want you to pay attention to that we have a square happen here and a square happen there. So that when we have to rewrite our answer in its final format, we're going to have to deal with those squarings. So let's write our final format. This is 2x minus 3y. Okay, 2x squared is 4x squared. Okay, plus 2 times 3 is 6, xy, plus 3 squared is 9, and then I have the y squared. And this is my final factored form. The big piece right here, it doesn't factor, so it doesn't factor nicely. It factors with a complex number. So don't worry about it. This is our final form. One more problem. Let's look at the sum of two cubes. And why do I call it the sum? Well, again, let's look at what we've got going on. Okay, I have addition. Okay, so that makes it a sum. I have cubes. 125 is 5 cubed, x cubed. And now you're going to say, but Mrs. Peters, 1 isn't cubed. Yeah, 1 cubed is 1 to the third power. It still equals 1. So that's always one we like to throw at y'all. What goes in the circle is 5x. What goes in the box is 1. And again, I'm going to, every time I see a circle, I'm going to put a 5x in. Every time I see a box, I'm going to put 1 in. I'm going to pay very close attention to the fact that I had sum here, gives me sum there, and subtraction there, and this one is always positive. Again, I want to pay attention to the fact that I have some squaring going on that I'm going to have to take care of. So let's write our final answer. Okay, 5x plus 1. Okay, 5x squared is 25x squared, minus 5 times 1 is 5x, plus, and 1 squared is 1. This is my final factored form. And it's that easy. But again, guys, you're going to have to pay attention to patterns, because patterns is a lot more nice than you realize. I hope you have a good day. Take some time, write some questions down, practice some problems, bring them to class, and we'll discuss them. I'll talk to you then. Y'all take care, and bye-bye.